Hey guys, just wanted to show you my new Costway washer and spinner. Wanted to show you some pretty soiled underwear. Now this is from an operation, so this is blood and other fluids. Something that's very important is you don't want to use too much soap. In here, you can see that I have just a little bit. Get it all. All right, that's about halfway up. All right, next we're going to turn it on and set the timer to 9 minutes. We'll come back in 9 minutes. You can really see how dirty the water's getting. Now we're getting towards the end of the wash cycle. Less than a minute left. Look at that water. Ugh. All right, well, the wash cycle has completed. Now we're going to drain. Look at that nasty water. All right, after the drain, we'll rinse. All right, now that we've finished draining, we want to rinse these off a little bit. I'm going to set the timer to 3 minutes. Just getting the soap suds off of them. Next, we will put them in the spinner. This goes on top of the clothes. As you can see, these clothes are very, very wet. Really gets going. Look at all that water coming out of them. Not really loud. While that's spinning, let's get the clothesline ready. Lock it down so it doesn't sag. Notice there's very little water still coming out of the drain tube, which means that these are pretty much as dry as they're going to get. All right, so let's turn this off. And here's our clothes. Amazingly pretty dry. Not wearable dry, but fairly dry. Let's go hang them up. And there's my load of laundry, all hung up to dry, which makes for a pretty heavy duty need for a washer. But I just bought this for my RV, and it's got a drain tube here which attaches to the side when it's not in use. But since we're about to use it, we'll put it there. First thing we want to do, give it some water. We're going to let that fill up a little about halfway.